Jano. Sometimes life get heavy when the rhythm start to play. Everything changed. One good thing about the music, when the music hit, I feel no pain. The bass line wash away my troubles like sunshine after rain. One good thing about the music, lift my spirit once again. When the music hit my soul, I feel alive within. Some days the world feels cold and gray, heavy burdens on my way, bills to pay and tears to hide, trying to keep my head up high. Then I hear that old guitar, the drums and bass from near and far, and suddenly my heart can see a little light inside of me. One good thing about the music, when the music hit, I feel no pain. The bass line wash away my troubles like sunshine after rain. One good thing about the music, lift my spirit once again. When the music hit my soul, I feel alive within. Music never judge your face, never care about your race. Rich or poor, we're all the same, dancing in the rhythm's flame. From the city to the hills, music cure what medicine can't heal. Every heartbeat finds its place when the melody embraces. Yeah. When the pressure builds and the walls close in, music remind me where I've been. Every note and every rhyme help me through the hardest time. No matter where you're from tonight, music bring the people right. One vibration, one heartbeat, moving together to the reggae beat. Feel it, feel it in your heart. Feel it in your soul. Feel it, feel it. Let the music take control. One good thing about the music, let the music hit, I feel no pain. one art, one rhythm, forever